Good morning, dear students. Today our chapter is about mixed numbers. What is a mixed number? A mixed number is formed of an integer and a fraction smaller than the unit. For example, if I have 2 and 1 over 4, 2 is the integer or the whole part, and 1 over 4 is the fraction. 1 over 4 is smaller than 1. 3 and 5 over 6. 3 is the integer or the whole part. 5 over 6 is the fraction and it is smaller than 1. So 2 and 1 over 4 is a mixed number. It is made up of a whole number and a fraction. 3 and 5 over 6 is also a mixed number since it is made up of a whole number and a fraction. Now, how do I write a mixed number in fraction form? If I have 2 and 2 quarters or 2 and 2 over 4, I have 2 completely shaded boxes and I have a third box that is divided equally into 4 parts. 2 of them are shaded. I have now 2 and 2 out of 4 since this box is divided equally into 4 small boxes. Now, if I divide the first box into 4 equal parts and the second box into 4 equal parts, I have now 10 shaded boxes out of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 out of 4 since each box is divided into 4 small squares. Now there is a certain procedure I have to follow in order to change a mixed number to a fraction. I should multiply the 2 by the denominator. 2 times 4 equals 8. Then I add 2 to the 8. So 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. I have now 10 over 4. So we should multiply 2 times the denominator, 8. 8 plus 2 equals 10. 10 over 4. Now, how do I change a mixed number into a fraction? If I have 31 over 2, I should do normal division. Divide 31 by 2. 3 by 2 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2, remainder 1. I bring down the 1. I have now 11 divided by 2, it is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 11 minus 10 is 1. Now, in order to write this answer as a mixed number, I should write first the denominator. It is the same, 2. I have 15. The whole part is 15. And the remainder is 1 out of 2. Now, how do I compare two mixed numbers? I have 2 cases. The first case when I have different integers, 4 and 1 over 2, 3 and 5 over 7, I have 2 different integers, 4 and 3. Since 4 is greater than 3, so 4 and 1 over 2 is greater than 3 and 5 over 7. The second case when I have same integers, 3 and 1 over 4, 3 and 5 over 8, both have a 3 as an integer. So I should compare now the fractions, 1 over 4 and 5 over 8. In order to compare these two fractions, they should have the same denominator or a common denominator. I can multiply the 4 by 2, it will be 8, and we multiply the numerator also by 2, we will have 2 over 8 and here 5 over 8. 5 is greater than the 2. So 5 over 8 is greater than 2 over 8, which means that 3 and 1 over 4 is smaller than 3 and 5 over 8. Thank you.